We're down here at Mount Nicholas Station this week to try and look for some kiore coprolites. It's to look at the introduced Pacific rat, the kiore, and the diets, how they changed over time. So when kiore first came to New Zealand and they're introduced with the first people, how did they eat their way through the New Zealand biota? By looking at the microscopic and molecular contents of their droppings. So this study really will provide the first direct evidence of rat predation, kiore predation, on the New Zealand fauna, and also have plant remains in there as well. So we've got some idea where to go, but until you actually start scratching around and looking, you don't know until you've found one. By studying faeces, you can reconstruct what you've eaten. It's like a snapshot of your diet. And if you get enough of them from covering many different years, you'll start to get a lot of information about what you've been eating. And so it's the same with any animal. You can look at its droppings and you find out what it's been eating. See that dry sediment there? Yeah. It's a bit of a slope though.
Bad?
Well, yeah, because things tend to roll downhill.
Oh, okay.
Right, to the next one. This is how recent all of New Zealand's past history is. That you can just see things like this on the surface. The tracheal ring. The fact that it's just, sitting back here is quite amazing. There's probably, more bones back there. What we hope is like a 700-year record of rat predation. We can tease apart what these rats have eaten over time and look at the vulnerability of the fauna that we find inside, that they've eaten. Just give an idea about what impact they had on New Zealand ecosystems when they arrived, and what species they ate, and maybe if we can radiocarbon date enough of them, find out when those species went extinct.